Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DAWG token. It is spelled DAWG, and that is also the ticker symbol, and it is technically called the DAWG coin, but I believe it runs on the Ethereum blockchain, so technically it is a coin. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. I also believe I saw this token have a pink sale pre-sale. I'll have to double check that though in 1 second, but we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, looks like this token is listed on a lot of places here. I was just scrolling through their tweets here. They have 126 tweets, and as usual, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find this project. This is on the Ethereum blockchain that, like I mentioned earlier, they call it the DAWG coin, but technically it is a token running on Ethereum. Now, I thought I saw this token have a pink sale pre-sale, but maybe it was just a token with a similar name. I'm trying to scroll through all their tweets to go down all the way down to the very bottom and see if it was on pink sale, because usually, I mean, a token's going to tweet if they were on pink sale or not. And, but yeah, this token I just saw got listed on a whole bunch of different exchanges. The newest announcement here, no, I scrolled all the way down. I didn't see any pink sale, pre-sale pages or anything. But that's not to say it is not on pink sale. They are listed here on DEX tools as well. I just saw a link for that. But there is a brand new announcement here that this token is getting a central exchange listing on a central exchange called P2B Crypto Exchange, also known as P2B B2B. So if you're looking to get this token, one of the ways is you could download P2B from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can get it on your PC. Open an account and then fund your account with USDT. And then when it gets listed on there, you would go into the trade section, search DAWG, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says December 12th. It'll be listed on P2B. So that is the biggest exchange so far, I believe. Now, like I said, I was scrolling through their tweets, and I do see that it is already listed on some more like Tier 3. P2B is kind of like a Tier 2 central exchange. It's not gigantic, but it's not tiny either. A lot of IEOs on there. So, but there is some Tier 3 central exchanges it's listed on. So you can also get this token off of Indoex, it says. INDOEX is one of them. It says it's coming soon to Coinstore. So that's another place where you can get the token. Now, there's also some other listings on here as well. I think it said it's listed on Moontalk, MOONTOK. That's another place there. Flooz Trade, I believe you can get it off Flooz Trade, and Azbit. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of different exchanges and listing sites and things on here you can get it off of. It's also on DEX tools. They have their Etherscan on here as well. Now, we're going to go over the info on DEX tools here in just 1 second, because DEX tools has some audits on it that are important if you care about security. This is very much a meme token. There's little to no actual information like utility-wise, use cases, that type of stuff. This is very much a meme coin. Now, they have a Telegram you can follow at DAWG Coin ERC20. Now, DAWG is spelled D-A-W-G, of course. And they have 1,571 Telegram members so far, so they're doing pretty well on the Telegram. If you go to their webpage, dawgcoinerc.com, it just has a picture of the Doge, the dog with the crazy eyeballs and the tongue sticking out and the backwards hat. It says, "Hold tight, we're working on something awesome," and literally has no information on their page besides their Twitter, their Telegram, contract address, and a contact email, dawg@dawgcoinerc.com. So the place that actually has the most information is obviously their Twitter that has like 126 posts on there, which is mostly just listing announcements and memes, a lot of memes, of course, right? But yeah, so according to their Etherscan though, right now they have 2,772 holders already, so they're doing very well. And you can also get this token off of Uniswap, since it's an Ethereum token, by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for the DAWG coin using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage. Now, we'll see if there's taxes in a second, because you might have to set slippage and whatnot, but we'll go over that in a second. It says 9 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 1 billion DAWG coins. Now, let's look at the chart here on DEX Tools. So if you go to DEX Tools, it says they have their, it looks like their liquidity is locked in Unicrypt. You can check that out. You click on the Unicrypt symbol where it says liquidity on DEX Tools, and it'll take you over to the lock. It'll give you info over there. But it says $357,630 in liquidity. They have $8.86 million market cap right now, doing very well. Circulating supply, 863.49 million tokens. And they have a 24-hour trading volume right now of $1.26 million. Now, there is only one alert on their audit, so that's good to see. I mean, it's not perfect. There's one alert, so just be aware of that. Now, it does say contract is verified, so that's great. No honeypot. There is no buy or sell tax, so if you are going to buy this off of a decentralized exchange such as Uniswap, you won't have to worry too much about slippage. No proxy contract, no mintable tokens. It says tax is modifiable, but there's not like a big warning symbol on it, so it's maybe like just a tiny amount. Transfers are not pausable, no blacklisting. No retrieve ownership, balance is not modifiable, no hidden owners, no self-destruct, no external call risk, no max sell ratio. Now, 3 of the audits say no whitelisting, 1 says yes, but there's still not a warning there. No anti-whale, no trading cooldown. And where's the warning here? So the only warning, sometimes this happens, is Quick Intel for some reason will put other risks when all 3 of the other audits, Token Sniffer, GoPlus, and Happy Security, don't have any risks at all. But Quick Intel, for some reason, it says other risks on this token. So it's not a perfect audit, and they're also only quick audits. So hopefully they do come out with a full audit in the future where you'll be able to fully verify the security on this token. But with any token, take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research, thoroughly investigate. Leave a comment down there, since I am not a financial advisor. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.